Hi Pod Squad, welcome to the Pod Build tutorial. Today we'll be building a delivery truck. We'll need 4 wooden wheels, 2 dark blue silicone tubes, 2 L arms, big box, removable lid, 16 silicone rings, 2 long sticks, 2 medium sticks, 4 short sticks, 6 T-pegs, and 5 hashtag pieces. First, start by creating your quick ride-on configuration. Add your long sticks to the end of the bottom holes on the long sides of the box, then thread hashtag pieces for finger entrapment safety. Close off with your wooden wheels and secure them with silicone rings. Add silicone rings to one side of your 2 medium sticks. Place the L arm on top of the silicone rings. Attach your sticks with the L arms to your lid and secure them with silicone rings. Attach dark blue tubes to the other end of your medium sticks and assemble your roof onto the truck. Lock your L arms in place by inserting 2 short sticks and securing them with silicone rings. Lastly, create your decorations by adding headlights using small sticks and silicone rings to the front. Placing hashtag pieces on the sides and joining T-pegs for the side mirrors.